By the way, I'm introduce myself. I'm Jeannie B. Magcantara. I'm 27 years old. I live in Pantocan, Combal Province. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters. My educational background is only finished secondary. My job experience is only the age of Dubai. Uh, my work is cleaning the house, took care of baby only.
How many members of the family did you serve?
Members of the family, 1 adult, 1 daughter, 1 son, only 3 all.
How big is their house and how many rooms?
Big house, not so big house. Only 4 bedrooms and 1 small bedrooms for me.
Other than you, do they have another maid in your
No, it's
employer's
only
house?
me.
Do you get along with your ex-abroad employer?
Yes.
Are you willing to work for a family with more than 6 members?
Yes, sir.
Why did you not extend your contract?
I don't want extend because low salary.
If lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
I promise my future employer to be served to good and harder the best to serve. Thank you, sir.